Hello again and welcome back to Technical Sense, where I take complex money matters and simplify them for all to digest. Now, as a reminder, I produce these videos for you, the viewer, to hopefully become financially fit through awareness. Alright, let's jump right in. Today's topic is, what should I invest in first? Now, I want to make sure we're on the same page. So here it is. Your first investment should be in yourself. Not Apple, not Facebook, not Tesla. Your first investment should be in making sure you have financial stability, or otherwise known as peace of mind. So listen to this. According to CNN Money, 76% of Americans live from paycheck to paycheck. No bueno. That, my friend, is a lot of stress. Having that weigh on you while you walk around conducting life, which is stressful enough, is unnecessary in my opinion. And here are some steps on how to rise above the statistics. You should have two things addressed in life, especially before entering the stock market. One, an emergency fund. Everyone should have one that lasts at least 4 months. 4. How do you do this? Well, take your bank account, look at the activity for the last 30 days, and add up all of the expenses you see. This includes your rent, your groceries, your Netflix, your power bill, your insurance. You get my drift. Now take that number and times it by 4. Again, you should have 4 months worth of expenses stashed away in your emergency fund. Now, disclaimer, this will not be fun. You need to make sacrifices. You need to send all of your free cash after you pay your expenses over to the emergency fund until you meet your goal. That means declining invitations to Cancun, no more endless mimosas, you can't buy those Jordans, and you cannot make the purchase for that dress you've had your eye on. Lastly, this account should not be touched unless there's a life-altering situation. That's why it's called an emergency fund. Only break in case of emergency. 2, get in the habit of saving. Once you've established an emergency fund, take 10% of the money you make in a month and send it over to a separate savings account. Over time, this number will increase and you will feel better and better about yourself. Trust me. Alright, recap. You do not invest the mortgage, the grocery money, your emergency stat, the light bill, none of it. Make sure all of that is resolved before you step foot on Wall Street. This is very important. Last thing you want is a trade that you're in with money that you need to move against you, and now you're worse off than you started. I can't stress that enough. Only invest what you are able to lose. Now, I ask you, are you financially fit? And if not, what are you waiting for? Alright, this wraps up another episode of Technical Sense. Episode, what should I invest in first? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Till next time.